Okay, y'all, let's get into it. So I got this wig from the Braid Queens, and it came with 2 wig caps or 4 wig caps and a design, like little clips to put on the actual wig. I'm so nervous. And then I got this from the store. So this is something that you will need. It is the knockoff brand of the Got To Be spray. I know that I am not a lace wig kind of person, so I was not gonna buy a huge bottle. This one was $3.99 at my local beauty supply. So, and then you're gonna need one of these babies. It's not on, but you'll need one of these. You need some scissors, and of course you will need this wig. Well, look at her, she cute. Oh, before I forget, y'all, you're actually gonna need some sort of foundation. I am using Juvia's Place I Am Magic Velvety Matte Foundation for my cap. If you are an expert, you can exit now because we're beginners here. Okay, let's see. First of all, I need some lip gloss real quick. Hold on. This is gonna have to get cut out. Cause why my lips dry?
You believe it.
Let's get into it, y'all. So I put my hair in 4 braids because I'm not a super good braider. So I was like, okay, how can I make this easiest for me? So in normal circumstances, I would recommend getting like a bobby pin, but I don't have that. So, all right. So first thing I'm gonna do is get one of these caps and put it on my head. So let's go. Wait. My head's kind of big, so hold on.
Yes, exactly.
Y'all, now they playing with the cap a little bit. So I think maybe I should use 2 caps or just 1. What you think? Okay, so we're just gonna use 1 cap, y'all. That's Jerica, my best friend in the background. She ain't worth nothing. So I'm just putting a little bit of this foundation on my brush, and you see, I'm just going to pat right on there. And low-key, I feel like it needs to be a little bit further up because the wig actually comes with baby hairs, so I don't need my own. I'm so nervous about this, y'all, because in my life I have never worn a lace anything. And so this is like so new, but I'm kind of excited. So I'm just gonna put a little bit more. Cause this is what I be seeing them do. Like, are we nervous? Y'all, my good sisters with the good lace, I be seeing y'all. And so I'm like low-key channeling that lace front energy right now because I don't have it. Okay, so what's next? Okay. I think what I've been seeing, and wait, I don't have to do this part yet because I have the wig. So okay, wait. Here we go, y'all. I think I'm gonna do my little thumbnail. Okay, so here's the wig. We're gonna put it on. Okay, so it came with, of course, the lace, and it has clips here, here, and here. And it also comes with this little band here, okay? And I have to say again, this is my first time ever in life doing this. So I look crazy right now and I'm super nervous, but I'm so excited to try this, okay? Let's see. Oh my God. I don't even know how to do it. Like, okay. Okay, so I'm putting that one on in the back. And then... And where did the band go? Like, I feel like I'm supposed to put the band on. Okay, wait, let's do this again. I was just playing. I'm gonna put this part on first. Ooh! Ooh, it's secure. The thing is secure on my head. Okay. Let me get my front piece. Oh, low key, it's gonna be cute. Low key. Okay, y'all, we gotta pull it forward. Ooh. I'm like struggling because at the end of the day I don't know, like, am I supposed to, should I have cut this lace off first? Cause it's like, that's it, because here it go, y'all. If y'all wanna know what this is gonna look like, this cute. Y'all like it? Y'all like that? Because at this point I have given up. You see? Okay. I think what I'm gonna do, we're gonna try it again. And this, you know, I'm glad I'm doing it like this because this is real life. Like, I'm not gonna play with y'all and sell y'all something. Like, this was sent to me by Braid Queens and they asked me to do this. And I said, if I'm gonna do a hair review, it's gonna be right. So I'm gonna put this wig back on my mannequin head here. And I'm actually going to cut the lace. And why are we cutting the lace? Because I seen another girl do that and it kind of makes sense. Like, I don't know why I didn't do that the first time. So give me 1 second. And I got this wig holder from Amazon. It's super cute. Because the mannequin heads kind of scare me. So, but what we're gonna do is I'm going to cut along the line here and see what that does, okay? Okay, let's try this again. So, oh, and it also comes with these little thingies. Again, this is beginner's lace. Let's try again. What'd your, oh, like this. Okay, you're gonna put it on this way. Put that part on first. That part goes on really good too. Make sure that it is pulled down on the sides. Okay, low-key, I feel like it's cute. Like, I really do. Wait. And I kind of feel like I don't need no lace. Like, no, oh, but you can kind of see, like, my scalp right there. You can see the... You can see the cap still? Okay. But low-key, right? Like, it's not bad. Should we put some more makeup? Ooh. I am loving this because I have no idea what I'm doing. If you came here, like, honestly trying to learn, I apologize, sis, because I'm trying to learn too. Like, we're trying to learn together. So I'm doing this. Like, if you ever wondered like how to do a lace, me too, queen. I wondered too. And hopefully by the end of this, both of us have a better idea of what not to do. You're welcome. This is the part where I feel like I'm supposed to spray the spray. Like, I feel like that is the area where I'm supposed to spray it at, so it kind of like lay down. So let's pull it up. When I tell y'all this thing is secure, if it's nothing else, it is secure on my head. I will tell y'all that. It is secure on my head. I feel like something good is happening. Like... Are we to the point now where we appreciate this? Okay, this is without any glue, anything. This is just, do y'all wanna... What I be doing? So far, y'all, I like this. I think it's kind of cute. Like, as soon as I figure everything else out. So this is the part where I see where girls pull the lace back. They pull this up. Help me. And then they do this. And pull it back enough now. Because this baby hairs is something else. Oh, maybe that's why they do the baby hair. I mean, maybe that's why they spray it on their forehead. Ooh. Y'all, I feel like a real mother freaking like, cause I'm spraying this, cause it's being sprayed on my head right now.
That's enough.
Next, okay, make sure it's off, y'all, cause I done been got like that before. Make sure your thing is off. Put a little bit more. Okay, now it feels secure enough, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull this portion back. Ooh, my hand's sticky now. Please don't follow me, y'all. Please don't do it like me, okay? Because I clearly don't know what I'm doing for real. But I promise the end result is gonna be so cute. We both gonna be excited and nervous and very much surprised. I think what I did wrong was this port right here.
Have to pull it down a little bit more or something. You should have cut that part.
Okay, we're gonna start over. Stuck in my hair. Yeah. So I'm actually gonna cut this part, y'all. Because I've seen somebody else do that before and it honestly feels right. And you know what the thing is? My joy is still not stolen. Like, I know I was supposed to be mad up until this point, but I'm actually not upset. Like, I kind of feel like I was supposed to do this because I am you and you are me. Because a lot of us, you know, we be wanting to try lace and, you know, we be scared. And sis, at this point in my life, I'm here to tell you that you need to be scared. Because it's not easy, okay? It's not easy, and I'm showing you that it's not easy right now. So I'm not telling you not to do it. I'm just saying, what's wrong with getting actual braids? Are we gonna talk about that? Are we gonna talk about why this is a lace braided wig? Heck, that I'm doing this right now. Like, it's honestly giving me anxiety. That part is easy. We got that part down. I feel like this is the part where we're comfortable and we kind of like keep going back to this part right here. And it's like I'm trying to move past this part. Like, I want to get to like the good part where we're like, but it's like we can't get past this. It's like it's something, it's holding us back. I feel like it's a spirit on us. Like, all I want to do is wear this darn wig. Yeah. I'm done. Like, I don't know.
Like, from afar, it don't look too bad.
From afar, like, you see, do I
need
need
to get the baby hairs or something? Pull it up, son.
Y'all, let me get my baby hair clean. Okay. Oh, okay. It's got some stuff on it. Also, I feel like I should have braided my hair like back more because. And then what's this?
You gotta cut it off.
What's this, y'all?
Go down.
Please me, baby, because that's what I'm giving. Okay, so that's it. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Respectfully, I'm done. I definitely tried to do it, and I feel like if you know what you're doing, this will be an amazing purchase from Braid Queens. Thank you so much, Braid Queens, for sending me this lovely lace. Unfortunately, I have reached my level of hair capacity, and I'm done. So I hope y'all love this. Like, if you like it, like, you can definitely buy it and show me how to do it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.